LinkedIn Sales Navigator API is too hard to use. You got limited access, you got to ask permission to LinkedIn to have access to it, and they only work with big CRMs. You have a lot of rate limits, and the learning curve is really steep, and the documentation is awful. So what if I told you that you have a much better alternative, and that you can API your own Sales Navigator account to get access to your own data and export any lead search, account search, lead lists, account lists, or even any profile in your network using the Evaboot API. With the Evaboot API, you can export searches here. You can export also lists of Sales Navigator URLs or LinkedIn profiles, and you can send the results to Webhooks to automate your lead generation workflows. And I will show you exactly how to set that up in this video, so keep watching. So how to turn your LinkedIn Sales Navigator account into an API? Really simple. The first step is to click the first link in the description to sign up for an Evaboot account. Once you are connected, you can download the Chrome extension here. This is how we get your cookies to connect to your Sales Navigator account. After that, you go to the API tab here and you generate an API token. Obviously, I will delete this token after the video. And after that, you can check here the Evaboot documentation. The Sales Navigator part is under the LinkedIn extraction part here. As you can see, you don't need to think about the cookies because Evaboot will handle that. On the call, just need to put the URL, the name, and the webhook. If you got some errors and if your cookies are invalid, you simply need to reconnect to the Evaboot interface while you are connected to your Sales Navigator account, and then you can forget about it. So I set up a few calls on Postman to show you it works. So for the profile extraction call, you simply need to include the profile IDs, so it can be one or a list, and the search name. And if you make the call, you will get as an output an export ID. And then you will have to make another call to get the results. So here, I will just copy paste this, go to the get results call, just change the ID here, make the request, and here you can see that I have all the data on my profile. So first name, last name, current job, LinkedIn URLs, if it's an open profile, company name, company domain, company specialties, company industry, website URL, etc. So basically all the information that you can find on a Sales Navigator profile or a Sales Navigator company page, we will integrate it here. For the list and searches exports is exactly the same thing. So let's say I want to export this lead list here. I will copy paste this URL, paste it here in my call, make the call, and same thing, I get an ID, and if I want the results, I make another call to get the results. But obviously, it's much better if you have a webhook, right? Because you can send the results directly to a webhook and then send that to your CRM, send that to your outreach tools, send that to Google Sheet, do whatever you want with the data and automate the steps. So if you're on a webhook, you just add the webhook parameter here. I will show you a small demo with this end-at-end call. So here I will listen for the event, make the call here, and we will wait for the results to be sent to the end-at-end webhook. And here you can see the results have been sent to the end-at-end endpoint, and you get all the data, and then you are free to do whatever you want with the data. As you can see, you can get really creative with that. So you can automate your lead generation workflows, your enrichment workflows. You could also program a recurring export of self searches. As you know, on Sales Navigator, you have self searches, and here you have new results every week. So you could potentially program API calls that export the new results of your searches every week and send that to your CRM. So you get new leads on autopilot in your outreach tools or CRM. And you can also use that to update your leads on your CRM. For example, let's say you have a Sales Navigator URL or LinkedIn URL on your store on your CRM. Let's say you could like update these leads like every 3 months, every 6 months, every year to be sure to have up-to-date information in your CRM card. So so you can do a lot of things with this API. And small note, you can obviously connect several LinkedIn Sales Navigator account, and one API key gives you access to all the Sales Navigator accounts you have ever used with Evaboot. We also have an email finder API and an email verifier API, so feel free to also integrate them in your workflows. And if you need any help to set that up, you can reach out to us through the chat. If you need to know more about how to generate leads with Sales Navigator, how to create nice searches, lists, and automate your lead generation with searches, you can check this full Sales Navigator tutorial where I show a lot of hidden gems, hidden features in the platform that will help you boost your lead generation. Thanks for watching, and I see you in the next one. Ciao.